And when my name returns to the ballot later on in this year, I will be delivering an even greater margin. As it concerns looking at our numbers across the constituency, I don't want to go too much into our preparation. But in the last election, Belleville was one of the divisions that was critical, and I lost the Belleville division in the general election by a little over 300. In the past, the JLP candidates would have lost the Belleville division by 800 plus, 1,000 plus, and so. So we were able to compromise and bring down that margin. If you look closely at the local government election, the JLP candidate was able to secure more than 1,000 votes. She lost by only 500. So we're still within a margin of comfort.
So Belleville is still the key, you think?
No, I wouldn't say that Belleville is the key. All the divisions are critical. I won't say why on this platform. All of the divisions are critical. The 4 divisions in the constituency are critical. What I will say about the Belleville division is that I must ensure that the margin remains no more than 600, a margin of defeat in the Belleville division.